Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Symmetry Series 360 on your iPad Pro. Let's get started by removing the protective films and foam. Beginning at the left side of the case, place your iPad into the case, lining up the buttons and ports with the case openings. You want all four corners of your iPad securely inside the case and the raised bumper resting on the top of your touchscreen. Have an Apple Pencil? Built to easily pair and sync with your iPad Pro, the Folio flap also stores and protects your Apple Pencil when the Folio is closed. Once installed, you can transform the Folio into a stand. Wrap the Folio behind the iPad, making a triangle. The magnetic latch holds the Folio in place while you comfortably type and view your favorite shows hands-free. For the portrait viewing, hold the Folio folded in a triangle shape and prop up your iPad Pro on the short edge. If you have any trouble with the smaller flap, you may need to fold back the flap, align magnet to magnet, and crease along the fold to keep it out of the way. That's it! Now your iPad is protected with the Symmetry Series 360 and ready for use.